Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and this is my recap of the top of videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make a little bit of a push down today. I was expecting to see a little bit of a bigger pullback, at least to 61.8, but it ended up making three waves up, 1, 2, 3, to the 50% fib level. Then it made a pretty nice push down. I actually still think this is probably going to go up again, though, and I still think it is likely to go up to at least the 61, maybe even a little higher. I still think there's actually a pretty good chance this is an ABC correction to this whole move up on the daily time frame. This is probably not the end of a wave C right here. It's just an alternative view that we were experimenting with today in my afternoon New York session Zoom meeting. So I still think there's a very good chance this is going to make a proper ABC correction like this before we actually end up going up, breaking structure, and continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.